Alright, so for today we will simplify attractions. Okay, so right first. Let's do it right, so simplifying fractions. So the direction simplify the fractions. We have 9 all over 12. So we can divide this right by 3. Okay, so the factor 3. So 9 divided by 3, the answer is 3. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. So, so we have 3 parts. What about the 12 over 36? So can be divided by 12. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 36 divided by 12 is 3. So 1/3 equal. Next, 12 and 18. So this can be divided by, okay, 6. Okay, and also can be divided by 3. So what is 3? Okay, 12 divided by 3 is 4. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So can be divided or can be reduced to 2/3. How? So divide by 2. So the answer is 2 divided 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we have 2/3. But if you divide at the very beginning, and if you divide 12 and 18 by 6, so directly it can give you 2 and 3. Okay, next, 6 and 12 can be divided by 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So 1 half. 6 1 over 16. So this can be divided by 5. It can be divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then 16 divided by 2 is 8. So 3 all over 8. So divided by 2. What about 30? Alright, so what about 30 and 40? So it can be divided by 10. So 30 divided by 10 is 3. All over 40 divided by 10 is 4. So we have 3/4. What about 6? So, okay, what about this 6 again? The 6 and 15, so it can be divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 4. All over 3 divided by 15 divided by 3 is 5. So that's it. Okay, next 27 and 45. So let's try 3. Alright, sorry, 3. So 27 divided by 2 is 9. All over 45 divided by 3. So let's see. Okay, 45. Okay, divided by 3. So we have 1, 3 minus 1. So 5. So 15. So because this will be 0. So 15. So 45 divided by 2 is 15. Now divisibility. So or we can divide 9 and 15 by 3. So this can be reduced. So 9 all over 15 can be 5. Can be divided by 3. 3 all over 5. So this is the answer. Alright, so next we have 39 and 48. So will be divided by 3. So 39 divided by 3 is 13 all over 48 divided by 3. Okay, so 48 divided by 3. Okay, so let's see. 48 divided by. Alright, so let's continue. 39 divided by 3 is 13. 48 divided by 3. So I like 3 is the divisor. Other order and here 1. So 3. And 4 minus 3 is 1. Greater than 18. So how many 13 and 18? So we have 6 times 3 is 18. So 0 is the answer. So 0 is remainder. So 16 is the quotient. So 16. So 13 and 16 can be divided by 3. No. So we have 13 and over 16. So here we have 24 and over 18, 6 and over 18, 19 and over 96, 12 and over 16, 5 and over 50. So can you do that for me, guys? So can you answer these 5 problems? Okay, so this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Alright, so this is about simplifying fractions. So the very important when you are engaged or when you are urged to simplify a fraction, make sure they have the so-called common factor or they have the so-called factor so that you can reduce, so that you can divide, okay, and simplify the given fraction to a reduced part. So if you're new to this channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe for more. So this is Leslie and thank you, guys.